This is the magic traffic light trick. Here we go. You're going with the green light, but every once in a while you have to stop. Oh my goodness me, oh my. But is this a real traffic light? Because actually traffic lights have 3 colors, don't they? So let's see. Whoa, look at that. Green, red, and yellow. But maybe that's the wrong order. Perhaps it's actually red, yellow, and green. I'm not quite sure. This is the magic traffic light trick explanation. Basically, it uses a very simple technique of changing the color by pushing the wand in or out. See how it's changing from green to red? Or flipping it over and you'll have green, red, and yellow, or red, yellow, and green. I'm just pushing the wand in or out. Now the fun part is how you choose to do this and hide it from your audience. You can use your story in combination with swoosh, push, push, or flipping, waving it around like this to make it change, waving it around like that. The more variety and the more your story is woven together, the more they'll have fun.